Frankensteins this morning. For those of you that don't know what Frankensteins is, it's pretty much like the swap meet and like meets comic books and all things nerdy, like all things.
Look, this year we didn't have Comic-Con, so don't mind us as we go ahead and have our mimosas in the parking lot before we start this nerd adventure, okay? Whoop whoop! For those of you that might have missed Long Beach Antique Market episode in October, let me reintroduce you to neighbors Robyn and Jessie. And today we have Robyn, the appraiser, making sure things are authentic as I spend money on it. Speaking of money, we have Jessie, the financial advisor, making sure I spend money wisely. We started in the parking lot, wrapped around the building, and now we're heading to the front. We were so close. We're so close. We're here.
And away we go!
I'm not an action figure person or whatever you want to call these, but the detail.
No, yeah.
So much. Oh look, it's King Triton. Well, I'm into this battering right here.
Oh yeah.
That iridescent one. They're really cool. Oh, look at this cute little purse. Look at this purse. That is so cute. And here you go. Got the map. Oh, and here. Todoroki. Yeah. Team Todoroki on. Do you have that one or no? You tried playing it, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, Mega Man 2, right? I know I owned it at one point. But I don't know if we have Mega Man 2.
Oh, yeah.
We have Double Dragon, right? We gotta double check. You help me. I know I owned it at one point.
She's in here?
A new player enters the ring. Sneakerhead Grant.
He's all like, whoop.
Oh, sorry, I caused that to happen.
Yeah, that's why we're here. It's all good.
The Toy Story dunks. Sorry, not the Toy Story, the Ben and Jerry.
Is that what those are?
Yeah.
Oh. Anything to catch your eye?
Sneakerhead Grant has exited the ring.
That's hilarious.
That's the thing. Part of me went, oh my gosh, Meredith in her dress. And her boob hanging out. And it's
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
That's hilarious.
Kelly in her jean outfit. Oh my gosh. Are these good? Oh, there's Michael Scott. Why is this Survival Man, Michael? There's Jim. Sad how Jim is so boring.
It's so funny.
Tiffany has now entered the ring.
We got the Office Winona. I know. Talking all the
Minutes of me telling Grant to not buy any more pops. I immediately find 5 pops I want to buy. They really captured the surprise.
currently winning.
I had a list. Oh, we have to watch that movie.
I've never seen it, but it's on Netflix now.
It's on all the time. It's so bad. It's awesome.
We went through the maze for it at Universal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, those are cool. I wonder if they have Haunted Mansion low key.
Oh, the mug stuff?
Oh, well, just the pictures in general.
How we doing today, guys?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. You haven't told me.
Thank you. Because you know how I was looking for Haunted Mansion? Oh, they do! I knew it. No, it's real. Yeah, we were looking for that in real time. I knew it. I knew it. Okay.
You have on phone, so you just get the 3 command strips or double-sided tape and put them on the wall.
Oh.
so glad I finally got to see one in person. This is beautiful, but I think the photo quality was a little too fuzzy to buy on the large scale. So we went ahead and checked out the smaller ones. I kind of like, that's kind of cool. Oh, you gotta have, the friend actually wants to get the small ones. You guys will, right? The Jack and Sally one. Oh, I got it. Godzilla.
You got one?
Godzilla.
Oh, hell yeah. Okay. Cool.
That is him, right?
Yeah. You wanna do it?
Yeah. Okay. Can I get the stretching portrait one? These are 3 for $25?
They're the worst influence.
I think what financial advisor Jessie means, they are good luck charms.
I feel like I've allowed this to happen.
It's kind of like sit back and watch everything, and then oh no,
Yeah. It's like my Star Wars one.
I'm serious. I'm like, let's go.
well. You see another thing. Jack over the moon, or any of those? Anything?
Kind of like Jack on the bike.
Yeah, instead of what are they called? Lock, stock, and barrel?
Yeah. Damn, the Star Wars ones look cool.
Which ones?
Those over there, the painted ones. Over here, see those?
Yeah, do you see one? Like, legit. Those colors are really pretty.
The Vader one.
Yeah. Okay, can I get Jeff on the bike?
Yeah, it's good.
All you need to put them up to, put it on the phone, just like it says a 3 amp mattress for double sided. Okay?
So, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Cool. What's the thing?
This is my game, Streets of Rage 2. I played this growing up on the Sega Genesis, and I just played it on Switch. What is it? You know, it's an empty box. He would not display that. Maybe you actually helped us walk away from a purchase that we almost made.
Oh, sorry.
No? And that's why Jesse's our financial advisor when it comes to buying these types of things. He keeps us moving along and does the math quick. That is so cool. I think when we do your room, if you got a room that's like someone's custom like that, right? Player 1 enters the ring once again. Player 1 leaves the ring, successful with another one under her belt. That's so funny.
Oh, wow, that's a future.
That is really cool. That's cool. Cool jacket. Hold it. It's recording. I'm not gonna lie. not gonna lie, I'd probably get this. It's just super cool.
That's cool.
Leader of the club. Oh my god, I like that.
These are so.
These are people that take
They take cash here.
Oh, same thing. Money can leave a different way.
Y'all better stop.
Let's go inside.
Damn, look at that aerial.
Oh, I keep seeing that. No, I like it. It's really pretty, but for some reason it's missing that magic.
Okay.
But it's pretty. And this is the section where you have all the special ornaments, Hallmark ornaments that you maybe seen in the past and maybe can't find in the present currently. But this is a really great idea for gifts for anybody who's a fan of anything, pretty much. They have it here. Just so many ornaments. This ornament and it broke.
This one?
Yeah. She broke out in half. I had her for Charlotte Russe. I got it. And she broke in half. Yo, I see the Optimus Prime one. I was tempted, but then they said 135. No, thank you. Hard pass. Yeah. Because it's so far. We did it!
Do you want me to check real quick?
Another successful outing. I'm so excited. I'll probably do a separate video just sharing some of the things that I got that you didn't get to see. What better way than to end the day with clucks of bottomless fries and delicious sauces at Red Robin's. Thank you again so much to my good luck charms Jessie and Robyn for coming out and hanging out with us in the neighborhood. And I hope you guys at home enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to tickle that like button. And follow me on my social media platforms where the story and community continues at Wildrose Lane Design.